Well, thank you for your interest in my second workshop entitled Different Lessons for Different Clients. I'm looking forward to spending the next 4.5 hours or so with you in this workshop doing movement lessons, having a discussion with experienced practitioners, and also giving a hands-on lesson to a boy with cerebral palsy and helping you better understand what I was thinking, what I was looking for, and how you can take that lesson and use it with children in your practice of various ages and diagnosis to help them move to their next best. The discussion is definitely a unique one. We'll be breaking down the function, lesson, and client. You're going to see how these all flow together. We'll also be going into the different ingredients of each one of those, and you'll find that by doing this, you'll be able to give more meaningful and more effective lessons when you work. The cool thing about that too is not only will you have a physical list on paper that you can draw from, but more importantly, you're going to be able to walk away with a mental list that you can keep in the background that will help you when you work to think on your feet, to be able to have more intention and clarity when you work, and really give you a direction on how to use specific lessons for specific clients. So I'm excited to share all this with you and spending the day with you and helping you as well to move to your next best. So again, different lessons for different clients. Check it out and let me know what you think of it. And I wish all of you the very best in your work in the days ahead.